This is where the wild become refined. The dense jungle mystery unlocks the potential for a billion-dollar future.
The journey began with its discovery, followed by careful planting. Now, as you can see, the young cane is sprouting rapidly.
Look how thick this one is. The sucrose levels must be high.
Peak content for sure. We are ready for harvest.
From this height, the scale is immense. Soon, the harvest will begin.
Shift change, heading out. All right, keep it moving, load the truck.
The journey from jungle discovery to this level of industrial harvesting has been long, and it's this transformation that brings sugar to the masses.
Lower it easy now, easy. Watch the ropes on the left. Secure that side first. All right, move out. See you later.
The journey from the field is complete. The convoy is arriving, and as these massive gates open, we're about to witness the insane sugar-making process.
Keep it coming. All right, hold it right there. Stop.
Welcome to the billion-dollar sugar factory. The insane process begins here, where raw
This is where the insane sugar-making process begins. These raw stalks are heading straight for the crusher behind me.
Watch the left side. Clear it up. Move it. Take it right there. All right, easy drop. The steam is getting too thick. Pull back. We need to monitor the intake levels now.
flow rate is increasing steadily. Pressure on the third roller is high.
I see it. Maintaining speed. The level just hit 35%. Mark it now.
Confirmed. The chalk line is drawn.
As you can see, the crushing rollers behind me have transformed the solid cane stalks into this raw liquid juice flowing here. As you can see, the juice is now a beautiful golden amber color. That's because we've removed the impurities which end up here in the waste bucket.
The crystallization is progressing perfectly.
Yes, the yield looks promising. Time noted. This is the crucial stage, crystallization. The concentrated syrup is slowly cooled, allowing the sugar molecules to form.
Look at that flow!
Perfect consistency.
Ready for the centrifuge.
And here we have it, the culmination of the refining journey. Pure, sparkling white sugar, ready for consumption.
The journey from the jungle is complete. This is the culmination of the insane
This
sugar.
video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.